According to Journal of Drugs in Dermatology study, saponins in oatmeal give it the ability to cleanse, moisturize and soothe, basically providing a buffer to keep skin hydrated and protected. Further, phenols contribute strong ultraviolet absorbers, and the starches and beta-glucans are recognized as humectant, or able to hold water, which furthers the product's ability to act as an emollient. A Lithuanian study called beta-glucans naturally occurring polysaccharides, glucose polymers that are part of the cell wall of certain pathogenic bacteria and fungi. Beta-glucans, the study reported, increase host immune defense, exhibit anti-carcinogenic activity, confer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capability, fight cancerous tumor formation and metastasis. The Georgetown University study noted that current treatment modalities for epidermal growth factor-positive cancers unfortunately cause the aforementioned side effects, for which there were no effective treatments. It also showed colloidal oatmeal to have multiple anti-inflammatory properties, with known effects on arachidonic acid, which is important for skin health. Doctors from all over the world were intrigued enough by the study to try oatmeal extract on their own patients, and got the same incredible results. DermNet New Zealand lists other skin conditions that may benefit from colloidal oatmeal: atopic and contact dermatitis, eczema, chickenpox, insect bites, poison ivy, dry skin. Further, compounds in colloidal oatmeal exhibit ultraviolet light absorption to protect against sun damage and photoaging, as well as inhibiting prostaglandin production. Oatmeal absorbs water easily and helps keep your skin hydrated and soothed. You can make your own Silky colloidal oatmeal bath at home to gain these benefits, and the process is quick, easy and inexpensive. Simply place a cup of organic dry oatmeal into a blender, coffee grinder or food processor and process until it becomes a fine powder. Sprinkle about a cup of ground oatmeal into warm rather than hot water, the latter of which tends to further dry your skin. Soak for about 15 minutes, but not too long. Afterward, pat your skin dry to retain some of the oatmeal benefits. Make your own do-it-yourself oatmeal hand cream, from the thrifty couple, with a few more beneficial ingredients, such as coconut oil, olive oil and essential oils. Colloidal oatmeal hand cream. Ingredients: 1/4 cup finely ground oatmeal, 3/4 cup coconut oil, a few drops of rosemary essential oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Procedure: melt the coconut oil slowly over low heat until it turns to a liquid. Add a few drops of rosemary oil and mix thoroughly. Mix in the oatmeal until completely blended, then add the olive oil and blend. Pour your moisturizer into baby food jars or other small containers to harden, and store at room temperature, or if it's more than 76 degrees Fahrenheit, refrigerate. A second recipe from Natural and Healthy Living explains how to make a homemade eczema cream, using a few more ingredients, including shea butter, vitamin E oil and lavender essential oil, with the added step of cooling and partially solidifying the coconut oil in the freezer, so that the other ingredients, especially the oats, don't sink to the bottom.